Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread positivity and enlightenment. Folded Hands Sparkles today will uncover an amazing Buddhist teaching that promises to transform your life. Pour this simple ingredient into your toilet, and it's believed to clear negative energy, eliminate bad luck, and attract prosperity. These ancient rituals are deeply symbolic, helping us align with universal energies for abundance and harmony. Curious to know what it is and how it works? Stick around as we explore the profound wisdom behind this practice. Let's invite peace, luck, and prosperity into your life. Buddhist perspective on luck and debt. 1. Understanding karma. In Buddhism, debt and bad luck are often linked to the concept of karma, the universal law of cause and effect. According to this belief, our actions, intentions, and thoughts create ripples in the world, influencing our present and future. Financial struggles may result from past actions or unresolved karmic cycles. Bad luck, 2, can be seen as an accumulation of negative energy, requiring purification. This practice of pouring a substance into the toilet symbolizes cleansing past karma, releasing negativity, and making space for abundance. Symbolism of the toilet in Buddhism. A toilet, while a mundane object, holds deep symbolic value. It represents elimination of waste, both physical and spiritual, letting go. Buddhists teach that clinging to negative emotions, grudges, or even materialism can block spiritual growth. Using the toilet as a metaphorical tool symbolizes releasing these burdens. In this context, the act of pouring something into the toilet becomes a ritual of purification, representing the flushing away of negativity and inviting fresh energy. What to pour and why? The substance poured into the toilet varies depending on interpretations, but some common ingredients include salt, purification. Salt has been used in spiritual practices worldwide for cleansing and protection. In Buddhism, it represents purity and the removal of negativity. When you pour salt into the toilet, it symbolizes purging toxic energy from your life. Rice, abundance. Rice is a staple in Buddhist offerings, symbolizing prosperity and gratitude. Adding rice to this ritual signifies inviting wealth and abundance into your life. Water, renewal. Water holds immense symbolic power in Buddhism, representing renewal, clarity, and the flow of life. Pouring water into the toilet can signify emotional cleansing and spiritual refreshment. Step-by-step ritual. Here's a detailed explanation of how this ritual might work. 1. Preparation. Gather your chosen substance, salt, rice, or even blessed water. Sit in a quiet space, meditate, and set your intentions. 2. Recite a mantra. Before pouring the substance, recite a Buddhist mantra such as Om Mani Padme Hum for compassion and purity. Gate Paragate Parasamgate Bodhi Svaha for wisdom and enlightenment. 3. Perform the ritual. Pour the substance slowly into the toilet. Visualizing your debts and bad luck being flushed away, repeat your intentions, such as, I release negativity and welcome abundance. 4. Flush and let go. Flush the toilet as a symbolic act of releasing your burdens. The sound of the flush can serve as a reminder of letting go completely. The psychology behind the ritual. While the ritual has a spiritual foundation, it also works psychologically. Symbolic closure. Flushing something away provides a sense of finality and relief. Positive affirmation. Repeating intentions rewires your mindset toward positivity and abundance. Mindful action. Engaging in the ritual fosters mindfulness and focus on your goals. Real-life applications of Buddhist teachings. Beyond the ritual, there are practical ways to integrate Buddhist teachings into your life for financial stability and good luck. 1. Generosity. Dana. In Buddhism, practicing generosity cultivates good karma. Sharing what you have, even in small ways, attracts abundance into your life. 2. Mindfulness. Sati. Being mindful of your spending, saving, and decision-making can prevent unnecessary debts and bad luck. 3. Meditation and reflection. Daily meditation helps calm your mind, enabling clarity and better decision-making. The power of belief. Ultimately, rituals like these work because of the power of belief. In Buddhism, belief shapes reality. When you truly believe in your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve prosperity, you align your energy with your goals, making them more attainable. Conclusion. In conclusion, a path to transformation, the act of pouring something into the toilet to rid yourself of debts and bad luck is not about the physical action alone, it's about the symbolism and intention behind it. This ritual draws from profound Buddhist principles, encouraging mindfulness, detachment, and positivity. By combining spiritual practices, psychological benefits, and real-life actions, you can create a pathway to a more prosperous and harmonious life. So, take a step toward transformation today, flush away negativity and invite abundance with purpose and faith.